Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia, where English is easy and fun. I'm Max.
And I'm Mia. Hello, Max. It's so nice to be here with you today. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. I'm very happy to be here. How about you, Mia?
I'm good too. The sun is shining, and I'm ready to talk about a great topic.
Yes, it's a super helpful topic. But first, let me ask you something. When you meet someone new, what is one of the first questions they ask?
Very often they ask, "How was your day?" Or, "What do you do every day?"
Exactly. And that is why today's topic is so useful.
Yes, today we are going to talk about daily life. How to talk about our day.
That's right. It's one of the first things you talk about when you meet someone. How was your day? What do you do every day?
Exactly. And it's a simple way to practice English. Before we start, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Thank you so much. Okay, Mia, let's start. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. What about you?
Oh, I wake up a little later, at 8. I like to drink a glass of water first. After that, I make coffee.
Coffee is important. I make coffee too. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat bread and butter. It's very simple.
I like to eat eggs for breakfast. Eggs and toast.
It's a good breakfast. After that, I check my email on my computer.
Me too. I check my phone and my email. It's a habit, a daily habit. Then I start work.
What time do you start work, Max?
I start work at 9 o'clock. I work from home, so I just sit at my desk. It's easy. Do you work from home too?
Sometimes. Today, I am working from home. I start work at 9:30.
I have a meeting every morning at 10 a.m.
A meeting is a good way to start the day. It's good for talking to your colleagues.
Yes, and I like my colleagues. They are very friendly. We talk about our weekend or our hobbies.
That's nice. My colleagues and I talk about our projects. We have many projects to finish. It's busy.
Yes. My day is busy too. I have many things to do. A long to-do list.
Me too. A long list. I write my list every morning. It helps me remember everything.
That's a good tip. I should do that. After work, what do you do?
After my morning work, I eat lunch. Lunch is at 12. I eat something fast, like a sandwich.
Lunch is a good break. I like to eat a salad for lunch. It's light and fresh.
Oh, a salad is a great choice. After lunch, I work again. I work until 5.
5 o'clock is a good time to stop. I stop at 5:30. My workday's a little longer.
And after work, what's next?
I like to go to the gym. I exercise for 1 hour. I feel good after the gym.
Oh, that's great. I don't go to the gym. I walk in the park. It's a nice park near my house. I walk for 30 minutes.
Walking is good exercise too. It's relaxing. You can listen to music or a podcast.
Exactly. I listen to music. I love music. After my walk, I go home and cook dinner.
What do you cook for dinner?
I cook simple things, like pasta with tomato sauce or chicken with vegetables. Do you like to cook?
I do. I love cooking. I cook something new every week. Last night, I cooked a fish dish. It was delicious.
Wow, that sounds very nice. I'm not a good cook, so I keep it simple. After dinner, I relax. I watch a TV show.
Me too. I watch a movie or a TV series. I like comedy shows. They make me laugh.
Oh, me too. A good comedy show is perfect after a long day.
And I read a book before bed.
It helps me sleep. That's a great idea. Reading is very relaxing.
I just go to bed. I am very tired. I go to bed at 10.
Me too. 10 is my bedtime. It's important to sleep well. So that's my day. A typical day.
Yes, it sounds very nice. It's a good routine.
Thank you. It's a simple routine, but it works for me. So, Max, let's talk more about some phrases. Simple phrases to talk about daily life.
Yes, let's do it.
What's a good phrase to start with?
How about I wake up at? It's a perfect phrase to talk about your morning. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Yes, and you can say the time. 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 6 in the morning. It's very clear.
Another good phrase is I eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner at. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
That's a good one. You can talk about your food, too. I eat toast for breakfast.
Yes, so you have the time and the food. Very good. What about work?
For work, you can say, I start work at 9 a.m. and I finish work at 5 p.m. This tells people about your work schedule.
Perfect. And if you do not work, you can say, I go to school or I study.
That's right. These are all very common phrases. They are important for daily conversation.
And for activities after work, what can you say?
You can say, I go to the gym, or I go for a walk, or I cook dinner. These are all daily activities.
Yes, I cook dinner at 6. It's simple and clear. And for relaxing, you can say, I watch TV, or I read a book, or I listen to music. These are all great for talking about your free time after work.
So, let's review. To talk about your day, you can use these simple structures. I wake up at, I eat, I start work at, I finish work at, I go to the, I cook, I watch, I go to bed at.
Wow, that is a lot of good phrases, and they are easy to use. I like that.
Me too. Let's try a small role play. I will ask you about your day, okay?
Okay, I'm ready. You ask me.
What time do you wake up, Mia?
I wake up at 8.
And what do you do after you wake up?
I drink water, then I make coffee.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9:30.
And what do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
And what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch a TV show.
Wow, you answered all the questions perfectly. Good job.
Thank you. It's easy with these simple phrases. Now, my turn to ask you.
Okay, I'm ready.
What time do you wake up, Max?
I wake up at 7.
And what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and butter.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
What do you do after work?
I go for a walk in the park.
And what do you do before bed?
I read a book.
That's great, Max. You did a good job too. See, it's not difficult.
Yes, it's all about using simple phrases, and you can change the words to fit your life. For example, if you do not work, you can say, I go to school at 8 a.m.
Yes, and if you do not cook, you can say, I order food, or I eat at a restaurant. The structure is the same.
Exactly. It's a recipe for talking about your day, a recipe for conversation.
I love that, a conversation recipe. Let's talk about some other things we do daily. What about chores, daily chores?
Oh, yes. Chores are things we do in the house, like cleaning.
Right. I do the dishes after dinner. It's a daily chore.
Do you do the dishes, Mia?
Yes, I do the dishes too. And I clean the kitchen. It's a small thing, but I do it every day.
A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. I also take out the trash. I do that on Mondays and Thursdays.
Ah, that's an important chore. I do laundry on the weekend. It's a big chore, not a daily one.
Yes, laundry is a big job for the weekend. So for chores, you can say, I do the dishes, I clean the kitchen, I take out the trash, I do the laundry. These are all good phrases.
Yes, and they are very practical. What about hobbies? We can talk about hobbies we do every day or every week.
Oh yes, hobbies are great to talk about. I play the guitar. I practice for 20 minutes every day.
Wow, that's a great hobby. I like to draw. I draw in my sketchbook for a little bit every evening.
So you can say, I play the guitar, or I draw. Simple and easy. You can also say, I listen to podcasts, or I play video games.
Yes, and you can say how often you do it. I play video games every day. or I listen to podcasts on the bus.
Great! This helps people understand you better. And you can ask them, what about you? Or do you have any hobbies?
That's a good way to continue the conversation.
So let's go back to our daily routine. What if your day is different? What if it's a weekend?
Ah, the weekend. My weekend is very different from my weekday.
Mine too. On Saturday, I wake up late, maybe at 9 or 10. No alarm.
Oh yes, no alarm is the best thing about the weekend. I wake up at 9 too. I make a special breakfast, like pancakes.
Wow, pancakes. I love pancakes. I usually go to the market on Saturday morning. I buy food for the week.
That's a good idea. I do that on Sunday. On Saturday, I meet my friends. We go to a coffee shop, we talk and laugh.
Oh, that sounds so nice. I visit my family on Saturday. My mom and my dad. We have lunch together.
Family time is important. My Sunday is for relaxing. I read my book, I watch movies. I don't do much.
Me too. Sunday is for resting. I clean my apartment a little, then I prepare my food for the week.
Oh, you prepare your food. That's smart. That helps during the busy week.
Yes, it helps a lot. So you can see the phrases are the same. I wake up late. I go to the market. I meet my friends. You just change the words to fit your weekend.
Exactly. The structure is the same. The vocabulary is just different. This makes it easy for everyone.
It really does. So let's think about some key words from today. We have morning, afternoon, evening, night. These are all words to talk about time.
And we have action words or verbs like wake up, eat, work, walk, cook, watch, read, sleep. These are important.
Yes, the verbs are the action. They tell us what you do. So if you combine the time words and the action words, you can make a full sentence.
For example, in the morning, I wake up. In the evening, I cook dinner. Simple and perfect.
This is a great way for beginners to start talking. Just use these simple words and phrases.
Yes, and you can practice by talking to yourself or writing it down. My day today is, and you can write it all down.
That's a great tip. Writing helps you remember the words. It helps a lot with learning English.
So, in summary, you can talk about your day by using simple sentences. You can talk about your routine from morning to night.
And you can talk about your hobbies and your chores too. These are all part of your daily life.
Yes, and these topics are great for a conversation with a new friend.
Thank you so much, Mia. This was a great episode. I had a lot of fun.
Me too, Max. It's always fun to talk about these things.
So thank you to all our listeners for joining us today. We hope this episode helps you talk about your daily life. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
And leave a comment below. Tell us one thing you do every day. We would love to read your comments.
Yes, please do. Tell us about your morning or your favorite hobby.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you next time on Easy English with Max and Mia.